Hello everyone. Namaste. Welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. Most of you know me, so there's no point of me introducing myself. Let's go back on our mats. Just like every class, we are practicing inversions and arm balancing together. Now, don't worry if you feel suddenly that we'll do handstands and everything. That's not true. We'll take our class very, very simple, basic. We'll start from beginner level poses, and towards the end, I might challenge you a bit. If you're okay with the challenge, great. If not, it's absolutely fine. For the initial part, the practice is simple. Towards the end, as we're slightly inverting ourselves, women who are menstruating, you can avoid this, or anyone with any shoulder or head injury, or if you just feel you have high blood pressure and slight inversion also creates trouble for you, please skip it. Okay, these are a few contraindications of today's practice. Let's start with the first thing, everyone. Sit comfortably on a chair or down. We will start with a Shakti Vikasak. Okay, Shakti Vikasak is nothing but a strength developing technique or an exercise which we most oftenly do before our practice. So the muscles are warmed up, the muscles can fire up as you practice something. So let's do something for our forearms, everyone. For this, you'll keep your arms up और आपको अपने हाथों को इस तरीके से बंद और खोलना है. As fast as possible. जितना आप तेज कर सकें उतना अच्छा होगा. We will do it for 10 seconds only and we will do it for 2 times. 10 counts के लिए जितना fast हो सके यहाँ पे. With me together everyone. Arms up. 3, 2, 1 and let's go 10. 9 as fast as possible. 8. 7 पूरा हाथ खोलना और बंद. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. You feel that? You feel that burn, you feel that sensation in your forearms. That is your muscle working, which is great. So good job. Breathe. Rest. We'll do this once more with me. Try not to give up. Try to go as fast as possible. Everyone arms up. We go 10. 9. Keep a smile on your face. 8. Fully open. 7. 6. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Relax. Towards the end, this really gives up, but that's what we want. So, thumbs up. Rest. Relax. हाथों को आप इस तरीके से मसाज कर सकते हैं in case they are hurting. Okay. As you do that, let me show you the next thing. This again is a strength developer to build mobility in your hands, in your fingers. आज की क्लास में आपके hands का बहुत importance है because arm balance and inversions require a lot of hand, finger, shoulder, upper back strength. Okay. For this one, you will go in your tabletop, यानी कि आपके all fours में आपको आपका शोल्डर आगे पुश करना है. यू हैव टू लीन फॉरवर्ड विद द शोल्डर समथिंग लाइक दिस as much as your body allows. So maybe slightly. Advanced practitioners, you can go more if you want. Just one little extra detail here. As you do this, try to round your upper back like that. Meaning, try not to sink your shoulder. Try to push away from the floor. Okay, use your upper back muscles, use the muscles around your rib cage to push the mat away. And then you lean forward, you hold and you come back. इसे हम 5 बार प्रैक्टिस करेंगे बहुत ही slowly with a hold each time. Okay, everyone, tabletop. Let's go. Let's round and push the floor away. Let's round our upper back and we shift forward, hold and back. Good job. Again, push the floor, shift forward, hold and back. Again, push, fold, hold and back. Good job. Last two, everyone. Let's go. Push, shift forward, hold and back. One last time. Let's finish it. Push, shift forward, hold and back and relax, everyone. Rest, easy, breathe. Take a moment, relax. This was some good strength work, some mobility work for your wrist, for your hands. Okay, so we can use this later on in the class when we practice our inversion or arm balance. Breathe. I will now sign off. I will see you next class with the same energy, with the same spirit, with the same smile on your face. Till then, make sure to keep your posture up, spine erect, and always, always staying grateful. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.